So we are discussing about the computer. Okay, so what is computer? So we can separate the letters of the of the computer na spelling. Then C you can say use for the common, or use for the operating, M for machine, U for use, T for trade, or technically you can say E for
Education,
education, R for
research.
okay. So each alphabet has a unique meaning of that. Okay, C for the common, O for operating, M for machine, P for particular, U for use, T for technical or trade you can say, E for education, R for research. Okay, so like a programmer, he used also the computer. A accountant, he also using the computer in railway station, airport, and different places na. All the pupils are doing different kinds of work, right?
Yes.
But they are using the same machine. They are using the one common machine, that is the name computer. That is the name computer. Okay, so that's why it is called common. That's why it is common. Because why it is common? Because the same machine used for the different types of work. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then operating machine, it's called together operating machine. Machine, because the machine, so that's why it's called machine. But it's not a simple machine, it is a operating machine. The television or AC or fan, it is also a machine. But the simple machine, once you switch on, it's work automatically, right? But for the computer, whenever you give commands, you provide some instruction, then computer only work. Okay, when you stop to give command, then computer will stop working. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Right now,
Right, sir.
suppose we are playing game on the computer, right? If we are playing game on the computer and we are not going to monitor our players, so it will be out na, हम गेम से आउट हो जाएंगे ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because we stop to give commands, हमने कमांड देना बंद कर दिया, that's why वो आउट हो जाएगा. Same thing in computer na, computer, okay, whenever you give command to the computer, then only work. So it's need a operator. So computer machine needs a operator to work. अगर कंप्यूटर से काम करना है, if you wants to work on computer, so you need a person who will work on computer. He needs an operator, so that's why it is called operating machine. Is it clear? That's why it is called operating machine. और जो वैकेंसीज निकलते हैं ना जॉब के लिए, सो आपने देखा है कभी न्यूज़पेपर में एंड मैनी शॉप्स के आउटसाइड बैनर्स लगा, वो लिखा होता है वैकेंसीज फॉर कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर. Who is computer operator? Who operate the computer, who work on the computer, right? Hello, is it clear
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so that's why it is called common operating machine. Okay, and it is used for, it is particularly means we use computer for different types of work. Okay, a accountant also will use the computer, a web designer or a architecture, they all use the computer, but for the different types of work. So that's what we call particular
सर
use.
आपका आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है.
Maybe some network disturb, that's why. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
so is it clear? Common operating machine, particular use means different use, where that is used in trade option. Trade means business, trade means the business. Trade means business. Okay, we use the computer machine for the business purpose. We use the computer for the education purpose. We use the computer for research also. Okay, the scientists, they're using a computer machine for research, na, for nuclear
Yes.
energy.
Yes, sir.
Or they calculate about the weather also, that when the rain is going to happen or a storm is coming, huh? All that calculation are done by the computer, right? So we can make a
Yes.
simple definition with all
Right,
this
sir.
meaning, all these words. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
computer is a common operating electronic machine computer is a common operating electronic machine which is used for trade, or research. Okay, you can simply say computer is a common operating electronic machine which is used for trade, education, or research. You can write it technical also. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simple definition. Okay, and computer, can anyone tell me how many types of computer parts?
So we have two types.
Two types.
Super.
Software and hardware.
Two types.
Keyboard.
हाँ? कौन कौन सा टाइप्स होता है कंप्यूटर का?
Hardware, software.
Hardware,
This is
software.
part of computer.
And software.
हार्डवेयर और
Software.
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 ओके, हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर दो तरह का पार्ट्स हो गया. ओके, हार्डवेयर क्या होता है?
जिसे हम टच कर सकते और देख सकते
Physical
हाँ,
part.
जो हम छू सकते हैं, छू कर सकते हैं.
कीबोर्ड हो
We
गया,
can touch by hand.
Sir, mouse.
Mouse.
माउस हो गया, और
हैं. CPU,
Keyboard.
हो गया कि-
monitor, या CPU,
और भी बहुत सारा पार्ट्स था, राइट?
DVD ROM.
हाँ, ये सब क्या होता है?
Yes,
कंप्यूटर
sir.
हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स हो गया. और सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या क्या होता है?
MS Office Word,
MS ऑफिस और
Like file.
Painting.
PowerPoint.
Sir,
Word.
typing.
टाइपिंग हो गया. और
Software we can
Notepad.
games.
Windows,
Notepad.
नोटपैड. विंडोज में कौन कौन सा होता है?
Sir, there's two types of software.
विंडोज 10,
10,
विंडोज XP, और क्या होता है? विंडोज 7,
7,
विस्ता.
Windows 12.
There's lots of windows. Okay,
okay, sir.
but what is hardware part of the computer?
And which we
ये
can
होता क्या
touch
है?
here. Physical parts.
We can see and we can touch it.
The physical part of
Computer
computer
that we can touch and we can see.
which we can
Touch and see.
the physical parts
The
of
part
computer.
of computer which we can touch and see
physi-
are called hardware part of computer.
the physical parts of computer which we can touch and see. Okay, जिसको आप physically touch कर सकते हो and you can see them are called
Hardware.
Hardware part of computer.
hardware. Okay, And what about the software?
So software we cannot touch, but we can see.
Sir, software is a,
Software is a set.
we can touch and see.
Software is a set of diagram or
Set of
arrays
programs or
give to a computer to perform a specific task.
set of programs or instruction. Software is a set of programs or instructions given to computer to perform a specific task. This is a simple definition of the computer. Okay. Oh, sorry. Definition of the software. If this question comes in an exam, what is software? So you have to write this definition. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, sir, can I leave because
You
my
have
English classes start?
just only 1 minute, huh? So I'm not going to teach you anything today. It's enough for today's class. We'll continue our class day after tomorrow. Okay.